In geometry, questions involving a triangle with a median in it, to solve it we frequently use Apollonius theorem, which states that sum of the square of the side lengths which contain the median, that is a square plus b square, that's equals to twice of median length square plus half of the third side square. Now let's check proof of the same. Well, theorem proof is quite simple and straight. To start with, we'll draw an altitude from vertex C on the third side length, and let's assume this height is h centimeter. Now in this right angle triangle CEB, applying Pythagoras theorem, we'll get a square is h square plus EB length square. Now this a square is equals to h square. For h square, we'll consider this small right angle triangle, in which if we'll assume DE length as x centimeter, then h square can be replaced with d square minus x square. How about EB length? EB length is this full length, that is c minus x. So this will be c minus x whole square. Now opening this bracket, applying a minus b whole square identity, we'll get equation in this form. Now interesting part is this minus x square and plus x square will get cancelled, and our equation will be a square is equals to d square plus c square minus 2cx. Now this x we still have to get rid of. For that, let's consider this right angle triangle CEA. So again, applying Pythagoras theorem, we'll get hypotenuse square, that is b square is h square plus ae square. Now here, if you can recall, h square is nothing but d square minus x square. So replacing it with d square minus x square. AE length, that's c plus x. So this is plus c plus x whole square. Again opening the bracket, applying a plus b whole square identity. Solving it, we'll get this negative x square and plus x square getting cancelled. So we'll get equation as b square is equals to d square plus c square plus 2cx. That's it. From this second equation, we will add the first equation. So when you are adding this equation, your LHS, that will be a square plus b square. In RHS, this plus 2cx and minus 2cx will get cancelled. So RHS will be 2 times of d square plus c square. And that's what we had to prove. Hence proved. I hope you have understood this Apollonius theorem proof, and you have enjoyed the video. I will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.